So it's called the Kansai Airport Washington Hotel. We checked in here last night, I said at midnight, and that's pretty much the hotel. You walk in through here, and then you've got like a little trolley bay thing if you need trolleys for your luggage. I've actually got a designated smoking room, so if any visitors in the hotel want to smoke, basically go in this room. As you can see, someone has left their luggage here. Obviously, if they've checked out, they've gone somewhere, they come back, they grab it. There's like a little seating area here. Overall, the hotel was pretty clean, and you've got upstairs. So when you go up these stairs here, and there's a family mart. So you've got the sign that says family mart, and the family mart is pretty much right up there. 24-hour open family mart. You've got a little money exchange, an ATM, I suppose. And then yeah, you've also got a SIM card vending machine. Through here, they've also got like a little stuff for microwave. Because of the, as I said, the family mart, you've got like a little setup here where you've got some microwaves, which is pretty cool. And then we've got the front desk. So as you walk in, you've got a full mirror there, and you've got like a luggage stand. You've got a little couch, and then over here you have a bathroom, which the door opens outwards. So in there you've got like a little bidet for the toilet. There was some hand towels and a bath towel that was also left here. And then you've got just a normal sized shower, and that also included some conditioner, shampoo and body wash. And then we've got just a standard sink. They also gave us some toothbrushes and some toothpaste. As I said, there was towels as well that were provided. And we've got the toilet. So moving on, so we've got 2 beds here. We've got some lights that also were along there. And then we've got the TV, we've got a remote control. There was just a little bit of tea and coffee making facilities here with just a kettle. There was some green tea, coffee and some sugar. There's also a hairdryer in there as well, and there was a little mirror there too. We had a telephone, also a little bar fridge, which we bought some waters and some drinks and just some snacks from Family Mart last night. And you also have like a little workstation here, so there's a little chair here. And they also do have a breakfast buffet downstairs, which we didn't go to this morning. And there's also a little mirror here too. You've got the humidifier here, and then you also have a view of the street. That's the room tour. It was very small. It was very hot last night as well. We didn't actually turn the air conditioning on. But overall, like as I said, we only stayed here for one night, so that it was very close to the hotel. It was about a 5-minute drive from Kansai Airport. So we just gotta show you this process. So you basically check in through these little computers. So you just put your details in, and it actually prints out the room key for you. Check in, check out. Finished or checked out? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks, see ya.